VR isn't new, but when it took off, it was expensive and offered only glorified tech demos. Thanks to affordable and capable VR devices, developers are making first-party games and upgrading ports that fully utilize the medium. Nearly every game genre has great VR titles, and our list should contain at least a handful for the fans. And today, we got some amazing Oculus games for you that will surely keep you playing for hours. Number 1. Astrobot Rescue Mission. Astro, a charming, blue-eyed robot, must save his spacefaring mechanical friends in this colorful action platformer. 20 story levels with platforming puzzles, epic bosses, and 26 extra challenges will keep you interested for a long time. Richly detailed, 360-degree environments, and VR targeting mechanisms with a hookshot, water gun, throwing stars, as well as other secondary weapons enhance platforming action. The game is ideal for VR platforming beginners. Sony's DualShock 4 simplifies third-person controls. VR lets you control the camera, so you can play without motion sickness. Number 2. Beat Saber. Beat Saber is an active rhythm game. Unlike Audio Surf, Guitar Hero, and Rock Band, you use laser swords to slash your way through a song. Beat Saber constructs patterns of color-coded blocks which slide toward you while the music plays. Duck or slide to avoid obstacles. Beat Saber is great for music and motion lovers. However, Beat Saber requires active play. Prepare to energetically chop music blocks while jamming to the beat. Number 3. Blade and Sorcery. Blade and Sorcery's superb physics and intuitive action give each swing heft and input without seeming limited or realistic. A telekinetic power to summon weapons, blast rubble with cannon-like force, and shoot lightning from your hands makes for an exciting, humorous, and completely rewarding VR fighting simulator. Extensive mod support keeps the game fresh. Action fans will enjoy this VR game. The harsh VR battle is healing and insane. You play as a psychopath who uses magic and weaponry to maim and kill any unfortunate warrior who crosses your path. Number 4. Elite Dangerous. Want to operate a spaceship, mine asteroids, or collect bounties? Elite Dangerous has that and all the complicated controls and systems needed to realize the concept. As a flight simulator, every key ship function has a high learning curve. Elite Dangerous is a gorgeous, rewarding, and intriguing game if you can endure a few hours of learning and failing. VR immerses you in space's beauties, making them hauntingly memorable. Elite Dangerous is a spaceship simulator with oceanic depth. It's ideal for sim lovers who desire to sail across space's black ocean. Number 5. Everybody's Golf VR. Despite its strange golf courses and caddies, Everybody's Golf shows surprising control and elegance. Everybody's Golf VR, formerly known as Hot Shots Golf, is the series' first VR game and a good one. You play numerous courses with a virtual caddy or practice on the putting green or driving range. Golfing is more dynamic using the PlayStation Move controller. Virtual golf is the next best thing if you can't play in person. It's fun to hit the golf ball, and there's a lot to find. It doesn't have multiplayer, but this VR sports game is great. Number 6. Ghost Giant. You play as the Ghost Giant and help Lewis, a young cat, by solving puzzles, picking up things, and changing the game world. You can also talk to the other villagers in the made-up town of Sandcourt or look around the game settings, which look like dioramas. Ghost Giant looks like a cartoon and has cute characters that will appeal to players of all ages. Ghost Giant is charming and fun to play, with a nice variety of riddles and activities that give it the impression of a classic point-and-click adventure, but in virtual reality. If you're looking for a straightforward virtual reality experience that nevertheless manages to elicit emotion, this is it. Number 7. Half-Life Alyx. Even though it's not Half-Life 3 or Half-Life 2, Half-Life Alyx is Valve's first full-fledged Half-Life game in a long time. The events of the game happen after Half-Life but before Half-Life 2. You play the fan-favorite Alex Vance, as the name suggests. During the about 11-hour campaign, you fight enemy forces from the Combine and find out where they are weak. Valve made this experience just for VR, so you can expect great physics and top-notch graphics. Fans who are patiently waiting for Half-Life 3 can really enjoy this great VR adventure through space. For Half-Life fans, Alyx is a must-have VR game. Number 8. I Expect You to Die. We adore logic puzzles, and I Expect You to Die up the stakes by putting you in a universe of spies and criminals where your only weapon is your brain. A spy must flee life-threatening circumstances before time runs out. Telekinesis, problem-solving, and intellect are yours. Grab whatever you find, it could save your life. This VR game is for people who like escape rooms, spy movies, or solving puzzles. Even though the game is short, the high stakes as well as open-ended challenges that keeps you very interested. Next at number 9. Keep talking and nobody explodes. Do you ever question the extent of your friend's reliability? Keep talking and nobody explodes is a great game for this because it forces you to talk to each other and work together to defuse a complicated bomb. There is one diffuser and several experts in each group. They can see the bomb and look at it, but they can't get to the manual. They can read the instructions, but they can't see the bomb. If anyone wants to get out alive, they must share information, help each other through each hard step, and keep track of their progress. If you make too many errors along the way or take too long to defuse the bomb, it will explode. Keep Talking and Nobody Explodes is a great game for parties. It is a terrific and amusing game to play with friends due to the all-or-nothing game loop, the requirement for cooperation, and the importance of communication. Number 10. Lone Echo. You play as an artificial intelligence named Jack, whose job is to help your captain figure out a dangerous mystery. Lone Echo takes situated on a space station orbiting Saturn's rings and offers photorealistic graphics, unrestricted movement, and well-tuned VR controls. It also has interactive dialogue choices that let you change the story. The character-driven storyline of Lone Echo lets you play the role you want to play. The game's sci-fi setting, easy movement, and focus on exploration make it a great single-player adventure. Number 11. Minecraft VR. For those who don't know, Minecraft is a game about exploration, building, and survival that has a unique low-poly look. For the VR platform, the game adds a number of new ways to control it, such as 3D audio, a virtual living room mode, VR turning, as well as VR controls. You can play Minecraft VR with your friends because it has multiplayer modes. Minecraft VR is great for Minecraft addicts. VR adds a new dimension to Minecraft. However, as the primary gameplay remains the same, this may not entice new gamers. Number 12. Resident Evil 4. When it came out in 2005, Resident Evil 4 changed the series in a big way for the better. The game pioneered third-person shooters, including its crisp, responsive shooting, superb feedback, campy humor, and dramatic set pieces. In the creepy countryside of Spain, you have to save the president's daughter from a strange parasite outbreak that has turned the locals into murderous monsters. It has been remade for first-person VR action and is now available for the Oculus Quest 2. Fans keep replaying Resident Evil 4 because it's a great action shooter. VR refreshes thrills and dread. Series fans and VR shooter seekers should try it. And last on our list for today at number 13 is The Elder Scrolls V: Skyrim VR Edition. In this role-playing game, you can travel all over Skyrim, talk to NPCs, and give your character weapons, armor, and spells. Your main goal is to defeat Alduin, the dragon that eats the world, but you can also mess around, explore, and do side quests for the people of the town. Even if you've already finished Skyrim on a different platform, the VR version should keep you busy until Elder Scrolls 6 comes out. This is for people who like role-playing games. Skyrim is a big, meaty game that you can play in virtual reality because it has a lot going on. Skyrim's length depends on how you create your character and play the game, unlike most VR games. So that's all for today. We got some few more games which we are gonna show you up in the next video. Now, which one of these amazing games are you going to try today? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. And if you want to get the most out of your Meta Quest 2, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and the bell icon for notifications so that you never miss any of our future uploaded videos.